Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down here to the sounds and vibration section. Here scroll a little bit down and you'll see the silent mode section here. Just to activate silent mode you should click here once on the switcher, and now just the silent mode is activated. So if you want to turn off silent mode, you should click here once again on the switcher, and here we'll see the message that the silent mode is off. And also we can turn on the turn off or just to silence media in silent mode. So if you will activate the switcher, you will mute also the games, music, videos and other apps, just volume, and you can turn it off once again just by click on the switcher. So that's it. And also we got the second way how we can do that. So you should just open the notification panel here, and somewhere here, in my case it's this second icon. Just to turn on silent mode, click here once on this mute icon, and here you can see the message that the silent mode is on. And just to turn off this the silent mode, you should click here once again on this icon, and that's how it looks. So the third way, the same, really simple. It's really simple. Just press up or down volume button here, and you'll see here this bell icon, the silent mode icon. Just click once on the icon to turn on the silent mode, and to turn it off click here once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.